Former Kenyan Sevens strength and conditioning coach Geoffrey Kimani has rejoined Uganda Sevens team. Kimani, who resigned from Kenya Sevens team in October last year, returned to Cranes Sevens, where he had also served for one season back in 2017. Kimani, who had signed for Kenya Sevens, rescinded his decision to sign up a new contract due to what he termed as personal reasons and instead proceeded for a much-needed sabbatical. Kimani disclosed on his Facebook page and Twitter handle that he will be joining Crane Sevens to help them in their quest to qualify for the 2019-2020 World Rugby Sevens Series. Among Kimani's major highlights with the Kenya Sevens team was when the team won the 2016 Singapore Sevens, their maiden victory in the World Rugby Sevens Series.